Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is my first video, so this is gonna be my introduction video. So let's start the video. My name is Prerna, I live in Delhi and I have worked in an IT sector and currently I am working with a bank. This channel is all about loving and appreciating yourself. So that's why I have created this channel, because I love to explore makeup, cosmetics, dressing good, DIY hacks. So in this channel, I will be sharing skin and hair care tips and tricks, DIY hacks, home remedies which can enhance our beauty, product review, tutorials and much more. I will be uploading videos every day and my first video is going live on Monday. So fingers crossed. I hope आप सबको मेरे videos अच्छे लगे. इस video को देखने के लिए thank you very much. I really appreciate your time. It really means a lot to me. So मिलते हैं Monday को. Till then. Bye!